Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the internet browser on your Hisense Smart TV. Step 1. Turn on your Hisense TV. Use the remote to turn on your TV and make sure it's connected to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Access the app menu. Press the home button on your remote. Scroll through your apps and look for the browser or internet app. Step 3. Launch the browser. Select the browser app to open it. You'll see a search bar where you can enter website URLs. Step 4. Navigate the web. Use the arrow keys on your remote to move the cursor. Press OK to select, type in website addresses, or click links. Some Hisense TVs also support a wireless keyboard or mouse via USB for easier browsing. What if you don't see a browser app? Go to the App Store, called VWD, or App Gallery, depending on the model. Search for a browser like Web Browser or Opera TV. Download and install it. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more smart TV tutorials.